Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. First of all, I'm going to make my background black. I'm going to do that by just pressing Command I on a Mac, Control I on a PC, I believe. It's going to invert the color of the background you have. So I had white, it turned black. Nice. Next up, we're going to grab our type tool and I'll just write sparkle. I'll make it white for now. And I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, convert to smart object, and we're going to blur it quite a bit. Maybe a 10 works nicely for this. Just press OK. Next up, go to the Adjustments tab and we're gonna grab, you guessed it, a gradient map. Just click on the gradient map and we are going to add a bunch of colors in here. Well, now they're black, but I'll just make some of them white. And let's make this one maybe dark gray, and I'll leave that one black, and this will make a lighter gray, and this will make white, and this I'll make gray again, and that white, and then I'm gonna place our black over here, kind of like that. Now this looks pretty cool. We have our gradient map we just made. You can click on new to save it, but we're gonna press OK, and I'll duplicate the text layer. You can just drag it onto the plus sign over here or just press Command J to duplicate. And we're gonna click on the Gaussian blur effect of the bottom copy we have. And we're gonna increase the blur to whatever fits best. This kind of looks nice. Let's go with 17. Press OK. And now we are going to get our brush tool. Just click on the brush, and we all have this in the legacy brushes, but if you have other cool brushes, you can definitely use those as well. If you have like a little bling brushes, you can use those. But we're gonna go to the legacy brushes, and you'll find the starburst, which is the one we're looking for, just to create that sparkle explosion effect. And you're just gonna click once or twice, 3 times, depends on how strong you want the effect to be. Just add a bunch of those. There's more than one you can choose from, small, large, or as I said, any other brush you have that you want to use. But that's the main idea. Let's add one here. Let's add one big one on top. And as you can see, the gradient map affects the sparkles as well. We're going to place them on our top layer and just give these a little bit of a blur too, just because they're so sharp and our text isn't. So we kind of want the same effect. But maybe like, 3.8 or something like this around these lines works pretty good. We can just now select all our layers, right click, convert to smart objects, and now just add however many more effects you want to add on this. I'll go with some noise, obviously, because you're not a graphic designer if you don't put a bunch of noise in your stuff. And I'll go with a lot of noise, probably 10. And yeah, this looks pretty nice. You can also invert this again and get this type of look. It's a pretty nice effect, I'd say. Yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment if you have any tutorial suggestions or requests. Also hit that bell if you want to get notified when I upload, and linked in the description down below are the links to all of my gradient map packs and texture packs and posters, prints, and all that good stuff. So if you want, go check that out. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.